The brand new digital foot books for Husqvarna Viking and Pfaff sewing machine feet are here. As of 2023, these digital downloadable books are available with every single current foot Pfaff and Viking have actually made. We'll put links below where you can download your brand new digital foot book from Husqvarna Viking or Pfaff. Now, couple things. Number one, if you have purchased a digital foot book from us in the past, you were guaranteed the newest version when it came out. So when you log back into your account, you will find the updated book has already been added, and you can download the brand new set of pages. Now, if you're curious what is in the digital foot book for Pfaff or Viking, we have for you a free download of the inside front covers of each of these books, because there is pictures of all the feet that are in this book. Now, how many of you have feet that you're holding and you can't remember what they're called or what they're named or what they're used for? These books are here to explain how to use these feet. So there is the Pfaff catalog of accessories and the Viking accessory catalog that tell you what's available. These digital foot books actually tell you how to use it. So having this nice little page that you can print off for free, so you don't have to buy this book to get these free pages, just click those links below to find them. You can then have kind of a little reference page or index page of what the feet look like right at your fingertips. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and I do free video tutorials on many of the models of Pfaff and Viking that you can find, again, links below, and be able to learn how your machine works. It's like having me come right to your sewing studio, sit right next to you, and start showing you every stitch, every function, and every accessory that came with your machine. Now, we do go one step further, and we have a whole series of online courses that you can also join us for. For example, this is our Stitching Cosmos online course where you actually learn over 25 different sewing techniques and play with over 18 different presser feet. Now, you don't have to own all the feet to do this course. A lot of times you don't even know that these feet exist. So learn about them and then see if that foot is right for you. Now, these digital foot books are great because you can go online and look at them. You can also go and just print them out. So if you would like your local printer to print them, I mean, they are quite lengthy, or if you want to print them yourself, or again, just have the option to look at it on your phone or device or your computer screen. Your choice. You can always log in wherever you have internet connection and peek at a foot or learn about how a foot is going to be used. We are excited to announce that the brand new 5/8" quilt binder was the last page added, and it is also in both of the Pfaff and Viking foot books. If you haven't tried this particular quilt binder, it is amazing because it actually takes the fabric just like you would pre-fold it for like sewing binding on a normal basis with that folded edge rolled to the back. The quilt binder takes that same pre-folded fabric just like you do it, but turns it into an attachment that actually attaches it to your quilt. Done and done. That is one of the many feet that have been added to this most current edition of the Pfaff and Viking foot books. You can find all the links to our courses, including free videos that you can watch to see if the course is right for you. And don't forget, you can download those free printable pages from these foot books with the pictures on it so you can have a great reference going forward and not be wondering, what was this foot for? All right, happy sewing, everybody. Let's explore all your accessory feet together.